Do you have a mold problem? Mold can make you sick, so it's important to get it completely removed quickly. If you've got mold, don't deal with just any removal service. Do business with a professional mold removal and remediation company you can trust. We have all the resources needed to get the job done right for you, and we're available 24/7 for any emergency. Whether you have a major disaster or a smaller problem, business or residential, we can get it looking and smelling as good as new, fast. We value our customers, which is why we strive to make sure each customer is completely satisfied with the job we've done for them. Call us today for fast, thorough, and friendly cleanup you can rely on.